Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Day in My Life Jana. So today what I'm going to show you is I'm going to show my tailoring kit box and what are the essential things needed for a tailoring kit and everything. So come on, let's get into the video. So this is my tailoring kit box, and I'm going to show you one by one what are the things that I have and where did I purchase and everything. So first one I'm going to show you is this scale. This is a 30 centimeter ruler, wooden ruler. This is useful for drawing the lines and for cutting, etc. And next is this, the thread winder. So this is useful for fixing the bobbin here and then for tying the thread. So this is used in winding the bobbin thread. So, and this is the tailor marker. So it's a set of 10. So I have already taken one and have used it. So it's very smooth and it's useful for marking. So this is around 20 rupees, and this bobbin winder is 10 rupees. So this is a small scissors for cutting the thread and minute things. Thread cutter, this is called as thread cutter, and this is around 30 rupees. Next is the seam ripper. So it is used to rip off the seams that are stitched actually. So this is called a seam ripper. And the most important thing comes the hero of the tailoring kit is the scissors, fabric scissors. So this is around this I bought in Amazon. I will give the link in the description. Then I also have a small scissors here. The next is the measuring tape. You can purchase it separately or it also comes with a tailoring kit. So this is the basic thing. Then I have a set of needles with different sizes. Then I have this bobbin case. Where we fix the bobbin here and then start stitching. So this is around 30 rupees. these are bobbins. So this will be fitted into the bobbin case which I showed you. So we have to fix the bobbin inside this bobbin case and then fix it in the sewing machine. So I have 3 to 5 bobbins. Then I have the needle set which is for 16, which is number 16. So this can be used when the needle gets broken. If the stitching does not come well and if the needle is broken, then we can use this. This is for manual sewing machine. Then I have some buttons here, and another interesting thing is that I have purchased some adorable needles, sewing pins used for dressmaking and so on. So I will show them one by one. So it was a pack of 10, and actually it's a pack of 10 needles. So these are so cute. The normal pins are like this. These are the normal pins, normal head pins, but I like to purchase something different and I got these pins. So these are so beautiful. And this is a pack of 10, and I'll surely attach the link in the description. And another is these pins. So this is also a pack of 10. So it has pins like this, adorable pins. So all these are head pins. And lastly, and I have some hooks. And lastly, I have some threads. So this is actually another tailoring kit which comes with tailoring tape and threads and needles. So I will give that in the description. I'll give the link in the description so that you can purchase from Amazon. And this box is something different where I have customized this box. This is actually a plain stainless steel box, but I have painted it and I have customized items. Customized in the sense, the items that are required for me in day-to-day sewing classes. So those items I have put in here. So this is it. And I have a pouch where I have my pencils and markers and pens. So I have color pens and markers along with pencils for measuring and taking notes. So that's all, friends. this is it, and I hope you would have got some idea about what are the essential items in a tailoring kit. And so friends, thank you for watching this video, and give it a thumbs up if you like it, and do subscribe to my channel Day in My Life Jana, and you will be getting updates on my tailoring sessions which I'm attending, and do share it with your friends who needs information about tailoring essentials. So I will also be posting tailoring classes videos in my YouTube channel, and will give an update on each of the class that I attend. Once again, thank you for watching this video, and let's see you in another video. Until then, it's bye from Lydia. Bye. The kadai which I got. So see how lovely it is. It's a 5-liter kadai.